As an email marketer, your job is to drive engagement and automate everything. But somehow, collecting customer testimonials still ends up being the most manual part of your workflow. You send an email asking for feedback, then another one, and then another nudge, and then another nudge, and then another nudge, and suddenly you've burned half of your week chasing reviews instead of optimizing your next campaign. But what if that entire process could run automatically while you focus on what you do best? With Testimonial.to's automated email sequences, you can set timed, customized reminders that gently collect testimonials in the background. No more manual chasing, no more copy pasting, and no more missed opportunities to turn happy customers into conversion gold. Before we set up automation at Rise Productive, testimonial collection was a bottleneck. Our marketing team, already stretched thin, was manually emailing every customer post-purchase, sending 2 to 3 follow-ups, and tracking responses in a spreadsheet. It felt like we were running a full-time testimonial department for minimal returns. And worst of all, a lot of people forgot to actually leave a review, simply because we didn't remind them at the right time. That changed when we discovered the automated email sequences feature inside Testimonial.to. It lets you build timed testimonial drip campaigns that handle everything: the first request, reminder nudges, follow-ups, and even final thank yous. With it, we can now collect testimonials consistently without interrupting our team's workflow, and it's like setting up a testimonial funnel that works 24/7 while you're busy launching your next email sequence or planning Q4 campaigns. Let me show you exactly how this works. We're gonna set up an automated testimonial collection system that'll save you hours every single week. First, let's configure the testimonial email assistant. We'll create a system that automatically reaches out to customers and collects their feedback without us lifting a finger. All right, let's get started. On the main dashboard, you'll see the Spaces section. We're gonna click on the Rise Productive space to open it up. This takes us into the workspace where we're gonna build our automation. Now in the left-hand navigation menu, we need to find the integration section. Under there, you'll see Testimonials Email Assistant. Let's click that to access settings. This is your command center for automated testimonial collection. In the setup section, we're gonna scroll down to Step 2 section. Right underneath the text boxes are the fields we need to fill in. So we're now gonna click the Pixel tab to select the pixel snippet. This determines how we'll track and trigger our testimonial requests. Just a quick heads up, we're choosing the pixel snippet type because we'll be using personal email providers, Gmail or Outlook, and they don't typically provide custom scripts or comments in the email body. For email marketing platforms like MailChimp or SendGrid, you can use the script or comment script. These providers typically allow full HTML customization. Moving on with our automation process, here's where things get interesting. In the Pixel tab, we're gonna type John into the name placeholder field. This specifies the customer's name, so our emails feel personal rather than robotic. Right next to that, we're gonna type john@acmeltd.com into the email placeholder. This tells Testimonial who's gonna receive our email, and we're done with this section now. Now let's scroll down to the settings section. This is where we control the timing and messaging. We're gonna click the Send Delay drop-down menu to choose when the email gets sent. From the drop-down list, let's select 1 day. This means after someone completes our trigger action, they'll get their first testimonial request 24 hours later. Perfect timing when the experience is still fresh. Next, we'll need to set who the email appears to come from. In the settings section, let's click inside the sender name field. We'll type Rise Productive Services here, and this sets the display name, so recipients know exactly who's asking for their feedback. For the subject line, we'll click inside the subject field and type Leave a Testimonial, Your Opinion Matters. Keep it simple and clear. People should know immediately what this email is about. Now for the message itself, let's click inside the message field and type, Hi there. Would you consider leaving us a shout out? Just a quick testimonial about our project together would be the cherry on top of a fantastic experience. Please follow this link. Thank you so much. Best regards, Rise Productive team. This gives customers a clear call to action and directs them where to leave their feedback. Perfect. At the bottom of the settings section, we can click the Save button to lock in all our changes. Your automated system is now configured and ready to roll. Now let's test this system by sending our first request. At the top of the page, in the setup section, you'll see a unique email address with a copy icon next to it. Let's click that copy icon to copy the address to our clipboard. This is the magic email that triggers our entire automation. Time to send a test. We'll navigate to Gmail and click the Compose button in the upper left corner to open a new message window. In the new message window, let's right-click inside the To field and select Paste to add that unique email address we just copied. Now here's the really cool part. We need to go back to our Testimonial.to settings page, and in the setup section under step 2, we're gonna click the copy icon for the pixel snippet to copy the tracking code. This little piece of code is what tells Testimonial.to to to start the automated sequence. Back in our Gmail new message window, we'll right-click inside the message body and select paste to insert the snippet. Finally, we'll click that sweet blue send button at the bottom to send our testimonial request and wrap up this automation. So we were running multiple email campaigns every month, but collecting customer testimonials after each one was slowing the team down. The marketing assistant had to send manual follow-ups, track replies in a spreadsheet, and remind people individually. Despite great feedback from customers, very few actually submitted testimonials because the reminders came way too late or not at all. This inconsistency made it harder to gather the social proof that we needed for new landing pages, investor decks, or case studies. But once we set up automated email sequences in testimonial.to, everything changed. We created a drip campaign called 30-Day Testimonial Drip with messages like, "Hey John, we'd love to hear how Rise Productive helped you. It only takes 60 seconds. And a follow-up 3 days later. Quick reminder, we'd love your feedback. You can leave a video or a quick quote, no need to log in, just follow this link." With the system running in the background, testimonials started rolling in every week without anyone on the team lifting a finger. It freed up our marketing resources and gave us a growing collection of customer proof to use across our funnel. That's exactly what you just set up. Your automated sequence will now reach out to customers at the perfect moment, follow up at strategic intervals, and collect high quality testimonials where your team focuses on what they do best, creating and launching campaigns that drive results. Are you ready to turn testimonial collection into a background process? Jump into testimonial.to and create your first automated email sequence today. And if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more automation wins. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.